but sir and ma'am make it very simplified. So I was amazed, like how simply the subject is. Like that, then made me to feel. So most of the topics, CVS, CMS, like the nervous system, which even as a teacher I felt it as difficult, but they made it very easy. And now personally, it is helpful for me to teach my students as of now.
Hi, Monica. Congratulations for clearing your OPRA examination.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling very good, sir.
So, can you just tell our viewers about yourself? How did you begin? What was your academic background? And how you got to know about elite expertise and OPRA examination?
Yeah, sure, sir. Actually, I have completed my B.Pharm in 2012, and I completed my master's in 2014, and I have completed my PhD in 2022. I work as assistant professor in some university in Hyderabad. So actually, I have a very passionate to work as a pharmacist, and just I'm looking for the options. Previously, I have a plan to do as a researcher, um, but due to some reasons, just I have dropped that idea. So I have looked for the options, and some of my friends gave elite expertise contact. Actually, I'm very thankful to the team and to the Harika ma'am and Arif sir. I'm really, really very thankful to them, but because I have joined in the class like around September 1st in July period, and just within 2.5 months, I thought with a plan to write in the March 2026. But because of the motivation and because of the confidence our sir and ma'am gave, just I wrote in the November, and it was like the results are very good. So I feel very happy.
So, you cleared your examination your very first attempt, right?
This is the first attempt, and yeah, 2.5 months preparation.
So, what were your classes like? Oh, what were you studying in your classes? How was your experience with sir and ma'am?
So actually, I am also one of the teacher who taught the subjects for B.Pharm and Pharm students. But here the thing is, as a teacher, I was inspired by the Harika ma'am and Arif sir. I changed my strategy of teaching. So actually, what is required for the practice, I learned not only the subject from them, but also the lifetime passion towards the teaching and whatever the profession they choose. Really, they both are very inspiring, sir. And they taught me almost, actually, as a B.Pharm student, we don't have therapy during that time. I thought therapy is very difficult. Just I know pharmacology, but I'm not that much familiar with the therapy. But sir and ma'am make it very simplified. So I was amazed, like how simply the subject is. Like that, then made me to feel. So most of the topics, CVS, CNS, like a nervous system, which even as a teacher I felt it as difficult, but they made it very easy. And now personally, it is helpful for me to teach my students as of now.
So, in this duration, you called me sir. So, please, ma'am, don't call me sir. You are a PhD graduate. Okay. And yes, so you just said that you understood how you can also inculcate sir and ma'am's teaching in your teaching abilities as well. So, do you really feel that OPRA exam is tough being a teacher, being an educator? What was your experience with this exam?
Initially, when I have searched the like website for the official information, and when I have seen different topics, like they have given subdivisions, therapy, like 45%, ecology, toxicology, and zootics chemistry, all this made me little confused. Why? Because there are lot of information which is available outside the world, but I have followed only the lectures. Always the sir and ma'am told just to follow our lectures, no other material. Even though I'm a teacher, I followed only their lectures, only their videos, only they taught. So only that repeated. That practice only made me to be here. Here.
So was it difficult for you being a teacher and grabbing someone else's strategy to learn and understand concepts?
Here I am little worried about the calculation, but Harika ma'am is excellent at calculations. She made very simple. Yeah, so I was a little confused in the calculations, but I got many calculations in my real time exam. So which made me very easy. And all other things, as I told previously, they made very simplified for me. Everyone get very difficult to study about CNS, drugs, drug of choices, adverse effects. So they made it very easy.
So, as you have said that you were worrying about calculations. So now there are many candidates who are still worrying, who are still thinking that whether they should take OPRA exam, whether they should prepare for OPRA exam now. So, what are your tips, tricks that can help them prepare better and understand better about this examination?
Yeah, I can tell the future aspirants who are going to give their OPRA exam is from the day one, what sir and ma'am is telling in their lectures. Just to listen to the lectures repeatedly, and whatever the things they are telling, just to follow them. No other resources are needed. Only their lectures and their revision classes. And sir and ma'am are giving their personal time for us. Like even they give during last 15 to 20 days before exam, they will not leave a single candidate to skip out of the class. Even they give personal attention. So I tell all this future aspirants just to revise the topics and follow their lectures. That is enough. That is enough. Why? Because I followed only those things during my preparation. No other things, no other resources. So whatever the lectures they give, that is enough, sir, enough for us.
So, do you think is there anything that you're going to remember for your entire life and you're going to remember about elite expertise, sir or ma'am? What is that thing?
Yeah, coming to the like I can tell, they have got a very amazing team. If individual candidate, if we get any trouble, even it is 24 into 7, they are available for us. That is the first thing they gave us. And everyone is within the time they can resolve the issue, whatever the thing, like technical issues. And even sir and ma'am, if we have any doubts, they are ready to answer with a lot of patience. If we don't understand one single concept, so until we understand, they give their time, their patience. And overall, I can tell all the team, ma'am, sir, and the Stellate Expertise is best institute. I really learned a lot of things from this institute, not only about the OPRA, as I told previously, in real time practice, how a teacher should be, like how a mentor should be, and how application based learning is important. That I learned from them a lot, and their punctuality, their patience, especially patience and their dedication, hard work. And always one thing, the ma'am and sir will motivate the students, even though if we are at low or if we feel anything anxious when we talk with them, or just if we see their lectures, it's not like a like what I can tell. It's not like a very classroom oriented. It is like a very funny way for some concepts to learn, but they will be having very impactful teaching, impactful learning, impactful applications in future. So it's very amazing to be part of this. journey.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you for your lovely words, ma'am. And I'm very appreciative of you that you have also discussed about our technical team and their support. I'll send your regards to them as well. And if you have, as you have already used many words to describe about your experience with elite expertise, ma'am, sir, and your experience. So, if I have to concise you to that one word that you can use to describe your entire experience during your OPRA journey, then what that one word would be for you?
The Elite Expert is the best educational institute to crack like any pharmacy related exam in the entire world. I never seen any other institution. That's the only thing I can tell about them.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your lovely words, ma'am. And I'm very appreciative of you. You have very kindly mentioned whatever you experienced with us. And we hope that we serve you more in your upcoming future examination, be it internship, be it intern return or oral. And we wish you all the very best for your success.
Thank you so much. And all the best for all the future aspirants. And just stay with our team and they will make you the success. That's the only thing I can tell. Thank you so much.